Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad only charges when you hold the charging cable at a certain angle, you're not alone. This is often due to a faulty charging port, which can lead to further issues if left unresolved. Over time, this can cause damage to the internal components or lead to complete charging failure, so it's important to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement charging port, and some tweezers. First, ensure your device is completely powered off and unplugged. Begin by gently inserting the plastic opening tool into the seam of the laptop's casing. Carefully work your way around to avoid damaging the clips that hold the casing together. Once the casing is free, locate the charging port on the motherboard. It's usually situated near the edge of the device, where the power cable connects. To access the charging port, you may need to remove a few screws that secure it in place. Take note of the types of screws you're dealing with, as they may vary in size. It's vital to apply the right amount of force when removing these screws. Too much pressure could strip them. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect any cables attached to the charging port. Be cautious here, as these connections can be delicate. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully extract the faulty charging port from its housing. You may need to wiggle it slightly to ensure it comes free without damaging surrounding components. Take your new charging port and align it correctly before securing it back into place with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect any cables you disconnected, ensuring they are firmly attached. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully align the casing and press down to snap it back into place. Once secured, plug in your charger and power on the device to check if the issue is resolved. If everything is working correctly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the charging port. To prevent similar issues in the future, be sure to handle your charging cable with care, avoid yanking it out at odd angles, and keep the port clean and free of debris. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.